Sony's next flagship, the Xperia 17, has been surfaced in real-life images courtesy of a certification listing. These live photos confirm the phone's design, echoing earlier renders, and reveal 3 color options: black, navy green, and a purple. The Xperia 17, likely launching soon. The phone unsurprisingly looks a lot like its predecessor. An earlier rumor claimed all 3 rear cameras will have XPRT sensors, but the same exact sensor sizes and resolution as the Xperia 16, 52MP main camera, a 12MP ultrawide, and a 12MP telephoto. The microphone has shifted closer to the 3.5mm headphone jack. The Xperia 17 pack a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, with 12 to 16GB RAM options along with 256GB and 512GB storage. Xperia 17 also seems to have Run Geekbench, paired with 12GB of RAM. The screen is reportedly the same 6.5-inch display, side fingerprint sensor. Screen will have slightly thicker bezels than before. The phone is expected to be priced at $1,399 and could launch in May. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.